Hello and welcome back to Boopolo channel. My name is Pascal. Today I'm going to do a review of a case, a PC case by Corsair. It's a Corsair 4000D with tempered glass side on it. It's ATX mid-tower. I'll put it, it's a bit big here to be hauling around. So I'm going to put it on its side for you. It's big. If you're not used to having a big one, unless you're a gamer, you probably will. But I will take you through, I'll just give you the measurement without the little notches sticking out the back. It's 17 3/8 there, this way. The depth of it is 9 inches, yes, that's correct. And the height of it is, including the feet, is 18 3/16. You loosen the screw and then this becomes there's a little, two little pieces here, two little notches, and just pull them. And it's kind of like hinges then. And then we remove the glass. Now I'm going to show you inside in it. It comes with 2 fans, but I think it can take 1, 2, 3, 4 more. It can take 6, depends on what size. You can put another fan here and another fan here, that's for sure. It has a filter on the bottom. It has filter on the bottom for the power supply. It's got filter here on the top. There's a little lip here to hold it. The filter on the top. I will show you these pieces in a minute, including the USB-C there and the wires that are coming off that. We will show you that when we turn it over. We take off this cover off the front and we have the filter in here as well. So it's a kind of a baffle on the front. It gives it that pleasant look. I'll turn it around to you this way now and see what we can see. The back, these are all your slots. This is where you have your fan here. Your power supply goes in here. Inside here, there's a box. There's straps. There's some more straps and there's screws. There's bands. It's for keeping your cable tidy because this is a very tidy unit. It has a tunnel for all the cables. I will show you here now from the top. There's a tunnel along here for all your cables, okay? So I'm going to take the back part off. The back one is the very same as the glass one, right? We just put the filter back up there. It's the same, it's like it's hinged. And we push it up like this. And as you see here on the other side, this is where our solid state drives, we can hold our solid state drives here. And there's a little holders here for them. Now that's very tidy. So you would be bringing your SATA cable into here, okay? So after we put the motherboard on, we'll do that in a moment. Now these are our cables, our front panel, or it's actually on the top here. That's the USB. This one here is the USB-C, and this is the one for normal power, turning on and off, and also our volume, and also our audio, I should say. So you should be able to make this very tidy. In here, this is where the box comes. These are for holding your HDD, your hard drives, okay? And there are 2 of them in there. Not a lot of people are using hard drives anymore, so I presume this padding here has to come out of there. It doesn't say. I'll have a look in the instructions, but there's padding in here between there and there. Maybe just to stop it rattling, maybe, I don't know. I don't think that's going to stay in there beside the hard drives anyway. And of course, our power supply goes in there then. So we are going to put an RM650, also made by Corsair, into this. We're going to use an i7 in this with a 690 board, full-size ATX. I said we just push these in, and they go in like that. and then you tighten them up afterwards. The same with the glass one. It's easier to put this in when you have to put the cables in before you put the box in. You take the side off your box, the back side, not the not the motherboard side, the back side. And for the PSU, it says for PSU, and there's 4 screws there. That is for holding in your power supply. And we slide it in. You can put your finger under here, and we can guide where it's going. Put one in here first if you like on its own, and then slide it up. I didn't see that in it the first time. You can put one in here, halfway in, and up here. This screw here is not going in the bottom because the 4 holes are not forming a perfect rectangle. So we just tighten them all up then. Don't over tighten them, but make them tight. What I will do then is I will just leave these, and I will put the motherboard in then. They will only go in the one way, so I'm just checking them. And we do the same. But what we're going to do now is we are going to put on the main power supply to the board, which is this big one here, okay? And push it in, and it clicks. When you hear the click, you know you're in. You try and give this a little bit more freedom. Now I just pull this one back in. So there's our Corsair F4000 tempered glass. And we have built the computer. We are going to put a graphics card into it next week. I've ordered one and one more stick. And then I will have super fast computer. At the moment, the processor and the drive are up in the top couple of % that have been tested. And thank you very much for watching. If you like this video or any of our other videos here on Boopolo, please subscribe.